This is the time, Doc.
Drama.
Drama.
Okay.
Let me get my stuff out of my pockets.
Good. Okay, looks like you're hurting a little today.
I'm hurting a lot.
So we have our good patient here, Mr. Fox, and he says he's kind of hurt today. He's been a patient of mine for about
2 years.
Has it been 2 years?
Year
2
and a
years. We've had many times where we've helped him out tremendously, and this particular time he's hurting more than usual, so we thought we'd get it on camera. So tell me how long you've been hurting.
3-4 days.
3 or 4 days.
Like this.
And where?
My back, my legs, my heels.
Which leg?
My left leg, and all the way to the back. The back of my left leg, my lower back, my neck, and both my arms.
Both arms?
Are tingling.
And your feet too, you said?
No, I was exaggerating.
Okay, don't exaggerate. Just tell me the truth. How about the knees?
Knees are always sore.
Knees are always sore. Okay. And then how are you sleeping?
Not very good at all.
Okay, how many times are you waking up at night?
Last night was probably 10.
10 times. And when you're waking up, what's happening? Your leg is hurting, right?
Yes.
Good, gotcha. And so we've helped you in the past. We're going to help you today.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so we're going to adjust him, and you get to watch. Go ahead and lay face down. Are we going to do here first?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
Actually, Guadalupe, can you come over here? You can come over and sit. You got to turn. Look at this way. Good. So what we're doing now is we're relaxing his shoulders, taking some pressure off his neck.
Oh.
Good. He loves this so. You can tell me to stop? Not this time? Good. I'm putting a lot of pressure today, too.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Good.
Did you feel that?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, it just released.
Good. Good. Good.
You hear that one?
I heard that one. I know, easy. I know, easy. You're a performer, Mr. Fox.
I am?
Yes. You like the camera.
I mean, because I'm not complaining.
Exactly.
Of course.
Face down, partner.
Of course. Oh.
And so you go right back over here. Yes. Thanks, sir. So
I'm not complaining as much.
I know.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, scoot down for me a little bit. Right there, good. Good, just take your time. He's hurting pretty good right now.
Oh, I'm getting a spasm. Yeah. Okay.
So just trying to let him relax so we can get a good adjustment. We don't want to hit it too many times. There you go. Perfect, just like that. Okay, breathe again. And out.
Oh.
Good. And out.
Oh.
And out here. Okay. Let's see if we can get this little one down here. Hang on. Just let it go. Do it again. Breathe again. Out. Good. Got it.
Did you?
Yeah, a little bit. I heard that one actually. Take your time.
Oh, brother.
Now just want to just loosen him up. You can stay right there. We'll go this way first. Scoot down a little bit. Actually, no. Let's go. Come around this way.
Do you hear those?
I didn't hear it.
There was 3 of them. They weren't real loud, but there was 3 of them.
Okay.
Including, it felt like one up here. Yep, there's three releases.
I'm adjusting hearing deficient with him. I can't hear him. But as long as he can hear him, I'm happy. I just went right there, right? Mr. Fox, in a second we'll get you up here. Good.
Well,
Let's do a little pull it here. Deep here. Good.
that was a good one.
That was a good one.
You know, as soon as you did that adjustment on my neck, my knee stopped aching, and the pain shooting down the back of my leg just stopped.
I didn't pay him to say that.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Let's take a look. See where we're at.
Oh, brand new. This is what happens. Look at that. It's amazing. Oh my goodness.
Okay, so how the knees feel?
You know, I'm 9%, 90% better than I was when I walked in here.
You're gonna stop right there. So the low back feels better. Leg feels better.
Like feels better.
How about the fingers?
Fingers. Yep. Not as
Fingers feel better?
tingly.
Gotcha. Good. So thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you very much. You did it again. I walk in here a cripple. I walk out of here upright.